One of the most important things when you're working on a client is to make sure they're actually in their body. If they're not in their body, you can't actually access their energy. It's not that they're dead, it's that the part of them that can unconsciously work with you to bring you energy is somewhere out there. Oftentimes, practitioners will say to me, "Well, I was working away and things were going great, and then suddenly there was nothing. And because there was nothing, I closed the session." Well, that's not actually what's going on. What's going on is you're working along and potentially hit on some energy that unconsciously triggered the client to move their body, to leave their body. And that's not your fault. And that's not their fault. It's an unconscious response. So when that happens, I don't worry about it. I resolve it. So when someone leaves their body, they pull their energy up in their body and they exit through their crown chakra. So oftentimes, and you can do this in either way, I will come down to the feet and I take my thumbs and I put them in the arches of the feet. And with my intention, I call the client's energy down to their feet. And after doing this for years and years, my internal dialogue is come to mama. And that's what I say when I want a client's energy to come down to their feet. Come to mama. And I stand here with my hands on their feet until I feel their energy in their feet, which is happening right now. Then I want to go up to the head and I want to close the escape hatch. So I take one hand, I put it on the crown chakra. This is the astral body. And I dial that chakra down to about 25%. So I'm just basically closing the door, but I'm not closing it tight. I'm just keeping my client's energy where it belongs so that I can be effective in my work.